What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn how to create a slider show with this amazing YouTube video as background on Slider Revolution 7 Plus version. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, go to your YouTube. Yes, it's important, go to YouTube. Find the video. In my case, I'm gonna use this Visualmodo video from Spark WordPress theme. Copy this part of the URL, review the top part of my screen, okay? Here's part right here. Copy this is the video ID, it's gonna be important. Then go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard on the browser address bar, enter your domain plus wp-admin, and you're gonna be able to see this page right here after entering the credentials. Review the left sidebar of menus and click on Slider Revolution. Scroll down, you can create a slider following the video tutorial that I'm gonna leave in the description below, or go to YouTube and search for Slider Revolution Visualmodo playlist, or go to a previously made slider. I'm gonna apply this on this slider right here, so I'm gonna hover my mouse over the slider, click into this pencil icon, wait while the slider loads. Here is the slider, okay? Then, let me just align it, center of my screen, just like this. Then, click into any part of the slider that does not have content, okay? For example, right here, click on it. This is gonna select the slider background for you, the background layer. You can explore all the layers right here and click on slider background as well, okay? Then, review the right side of my screen. We have slider background. Click on where you see image, and you can apply a color, an image, or a video. And you can apply a video self-hosted using HTML, Vimeo video, or YouTube video. I'm gonna choose YouTube video, okay? Then you need to enter the video ID, the part that you just have copied right here, okay? This is the video ID. Go to the slider, scroll down. You can choose a start time and an end time. You can use a video poster, okay? It's important that you set a video poster because the slider before video loads gonna looks like this. So select a poster. This one is a nice poster. You can hide on mobile the slider background video and keep on mobile, up to you, okay? I recommend that you keep on mobile, but some mobiles will never load YouTube video as background. This is no error, okay? It's just how things goes from YouTube API yet. You can show or hide duration. Playback settings, you can stop on other media, pause, modal timer, rewind on slider start, restart on end loop, next slide when ends the video, up to you. And you can set some video adjustments right here in the case that you want, okay? After all set, you are good to go. Always remember to hit the save button, okay? Hover this publish and click on this diskette icon to save your changes. Now let's preview the slider. And here is our slider. After a moment, a YouTube video start playing. Nice, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!